Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the chat box. Open Streamlabs desktop and sign in. Once done, add the chat box widget from Widgets or view right arrow chat box. This creates the source you'll edit. Make sure moderation and any bot credentials are connected now so messages display correctly. You're doing this first because styling without a live data source can hide issues later. Next, position the box on your layout and click the gear icon to access settings. That's where the real edits begin. Now you'll shape how chat looks and behaves. In the chat box settings, change font, size, colors, and opacity so chat is readable over gameplay. Make contrast choices for legibility. Then set filters, block words, disable links, limit all caps, and choose emote or subscriber-only modes to control flow. Also configure retention. Max messages and how long messages stay visible, plus background blur or box opacity to reduce distraction. These steps prevent clutter and keep chat useful for your audience. Finish by adding advanced options and validating everything. If you know CSS, edit the custom CSS section for precise spacing and animations. Test in the preview and save settings before streaming. Integrate moderation, alerts, and bots to automate filtering and keep chat healthy. If chat fails to show, re-authenticate the widget, confirm the widget URL in browser source, and ensure the chat box source sits above overlays in the scene order. One key troubleshooting tip: refresh the widget and restart Streamlabs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.